Breakout Customs here today, and today we're going to be breaking out with a new adaptive LED headlight for a 2021 Street Glide Special. Some of the things I'd like to go over for those of you that don't know what an adaptive headlight is. It's basically a smart headlight that, depending on whether you're leaning left or leaning right on your bike as you make turns, it's apparently supposed to be able to give you a better view of lighting as you turn around that corner. First thing we're going to basically do is we are going to unbox it and see what's going on within the packaging. And then we're going to uninstall the OEM headlight and reinstall the adaptive headlight. Once again, this is a ProBeam product. It's from the company JW Speaker, which those of you that don't know who that is, they're also the ones that make custom dynamic products as well. So basically what we have in the box is going to be your 7-inch headlight or headlamp, whichever way you want to call it. It also comes with the instructions manual and then the OEM harness that you'll need to connect this into your bike, whether it be a Street Glide, Road King, or whichever bike that you're putting on it that uses a 7-inch headlight. Pretty much on the back of this, you have screws that you need to unscrew, which is a T20. Got to be very careful not to mess that harness up. Go ahead and put this in the box. We'll set that aside. And then we'll open up our harness that comes with it. As you can see, basically same stock plug, but then it has the 3-prong which is attached to the back of the headlight. Alright, so now let's prep and remove the stock headlight, and then we'll be reinstalling the 7-inch Custom Dynamics. All right, so we basically removed everything that we needed to. We're just going to set all these parts aside. That way they don't get in the way or they're not lost. So let's start putting the new headlamp on our 2021 Street Glide. Alright, so now that we got to take our headlamp trim ring and make sure that we get the rubber gasket pushed all the way back on. Make sure it's 100% aligned, kind of like as you see there. And once we do that, now we're going to go ahead and place that back on the bike. And there you guys have it. We have finished installing the new headlamp by Custom Dynamics, which is the Adaptive 2 headlight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe.